So I have the JBL Tune 770 noise cancelling headphones, and with these headphones, when you long press your action button, this one right here, we just put it in focus. This button right here, this is the action button, and when you long press on it, it launches your phone's default smart assistant. Okay, so as you can see, it launched Siri on my iPhone. Now I'll be showing you how to change the default voice assistant, so that in case you don't want Siri, you want something else like Google Assistant, or maybe you want even Bixby or even Alexa. Simply go to the app. This is the JBL headphones app, this one right here, and make sure you have already paired your headphones. And then you want to scroll down to voice assistant. Tap on that, and now you can see the options we have are Siri and Amazon Alexa. Now if I had the Google Assistant app installed here, then that will also be listed here. So let's say I want to switch to Amazon Alexa. All I have to do is come here and choose Amazon Alexa, and of course I have to sign in to Amazon Alexa, so I'll have to go in here and sign in. Now if I want to switch from Amazon to Siri, all I have to do is switch like that. Sometimes when you switch, it might ask you to restart your headphones, and you can always tap on restart. That's going to restart the headphones. And that is basically how to switch or how to change the default smart assistant that your JBL headphones use. Thank you for watching, and good luck.